Kairao MLA L. Rameshwor has made a big revelation to stake claim to form a new government with Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker as leader, if no arrangement emerged to facilitate a popular government within November. MLA Rameshwor was speaking on the sideline of a warehouse inauguration event that was held at Thobal District's Tangjing today. Responding to media persons, MLA Rameshwor stressed on the importance of forming a popular government at the earliest in order to address the issues faced by displaced persons. He added that it is not good to prolong the sufferings of people. The MLA further maintained that dissolving of a legislative assembly to hold election is more preferable than keeping the elected members inactive under President's rule. Speaking further, MLA Rameshwor asserted that a few like-minded MLAs from BJP camp would stake claim to form new government with Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly as leader.
Say any more Pishaze, Kulugale, Tabako, possessing full Magasaga, I am Bando, Command Tabia, and Jagataco, or Sakazi, Mapu Middlehanding, and Taisana, Shamor Hagana, I know election to Gavago, Pazaz 100 Patiana. Macolman of a quick delay, I sanction I have a quality on a speakers, the Holy Doe Kalaga, quite governor, the second to have some salary to go, Kutan Tazama, some young living, William Single living Pulakanda, I am speakers of Holy Doe and Governor, the High Nation Saba, Chapsavi delay, Karigmana Bemba Tazi, the Togadi, Potumadi, Aroy Boina, Pajamian Kalakanda, Antony claim Tong, and I will subject of privilege.